Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Lexus tire. First, ensure your safety by parking your vehicle on a level, stable surface, far away from any traffic. Engage the parking brake firmly and activate your hazard lights to alert other drivers. Then, gather your essential tools: the spare tire, the jack, and the lug wrench, usually found in your trunk. Before lifting the car, use the lug wrench to loosen each lug nut about 1/4 of a turn. Do not remove them yet. Next, carefully position the jack under the vehicle's frame, near the flat tire, ensuring it's on a solid point. Now, slowly raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely off the ground and can spin freely. Once the car is lifted, you can fully remove the loosened lug nuts and carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs. Now, take your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs on the vehicle. Push it firmly into place. Then, hand tighten all the lug nuts back onto the studs, ensuring the spare is seated correctly. With the spare tire in place and hand tightened, slowly lower your Lexus until it's back on the ground. Now, use the lug wrench to fully tighten all the lug nuts in a star pattern for even pressure. Double-check the spare tire's pressure and drive cautiously to the nearest service center for a proper repair or replacement. Remember to check the description below for the link to Little Tree's Black Ice air fresheners and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.